Hey everyone, Mark Rober here. We're diving into the world of Rubik's Cubes, and you know what? It's more than just solving the puzzle. There's a whole debate raging stickered cubes versus stickerless cubes. Since Erno Rubik invented this colorful brain teaser in 1974, people have been twisting and turning, trying to solve it. But over time, the cube itself has evolved. Now we've got these high-tech stickerless versions, and that's where the fun begins. Some cubers, especially those who've been at it for years, swear by the classic feel of stickers. Others, particularly those newer to the game, are all about the sleek look and durability of stickerless cubes. So, which one wins? Well, it's not that simple. Let's break it down and see what each type brings to the table. Stickered cubes, they take us back to the good old days. There's a certain charm to them, a nostalgia factor that's hard to beat. Plus, there's something satisfying about peeling off those stickers and putting them back on, even if it's to hide a mistake. But let's be real, stickered cubes come with their share of downsides. Those stickers can peel, tear, or fade over time, especially with intense use. And if you're not careful, you might even get those pesky air bubbles underneath, which can drive a perfectionist crazy. Another thing to consider is that stickered cubes require a bit more maintenance. You'll need to replace those worn-out stickers eventually, and let's just say, aligning them perfectly is an art form in itself. Despite these drawbacks, many cubers, especially the veterans, stick with stickered cubes. Why? Because they offer a unique feel and turning experience that's hard to replicate. Now, let's talk about the new kids on the block, stickerless cubes. These babies are all about durability and convenience. Stickerless cubes are made using colored plastic, so the colors are actually part of the cube itself. This means they'll stay vibrant even after countless solves. Plus, they're less likely to get scratched or damaged, making them perfect for speed cubing. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Stickerless cubes have their own set of quirks. Some cubers find that they feel a bit plasticky and lack the satisfying click of stickered cubes. Others complain about the colors being less vibrant, especially under certain lighting conditions. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that some stickerless cubes use different plastic shades for the same color? Especially those who grew up with stickered cubes love the classic feel and the challenge of maintaining them. They enjoy the ritual of replacing stickers and the satisfaction of a perfectly aligned cube. Others prefer the convenience and durability of stickerless cubes. They appreciate the vibrant colors and the fact that they don't have to worry about peeling stickers. For them, it's all about the solving experience and pushing their speed cubing to switch it up. Section 5. Speed Cubing Showdown. Which cube reigns supreme? Now let's talk speed cubing. When it comes to competitive cubing, every millisecond counts. So, which type of cube do the pros prefer? Interestingly, both stickered and stickerless cubes have their place in the speed cubing world. Some top cubers swear by stickered cubes, claiming they offer a better feel and allow for faster turning. Others prefer the durability and consistency of stickerless cubes, arguing that they provide a more predictable solving experience. In the end, it often comes down to the individual cuber's preferences and the specific cube they're most comfortable with. There's no clear winner in the speed cubing arena, and both types of cubes have helped break world records.